Hi, my name is Jenny Chung, and I'm a sophomore at San Francisco Community College. My first priority is to transfer over to UC San Diego in the next 3 semesters. My interests are to help kids with cleft palate disease, interested in being a trauma PA, neurology PA. Um, my second biggest priority is to get funded to work with Cross Cultural Solution and have a first-hand experience being able to help kids find their inner best qualities, interpersonal skills, and being able to assist and help mentors, PhDs, nurses, and being able to work with other international health volunteers. And I would also like to know how the value of culture it is out in South Africa and Tanzania. And I want to also help people and families and young ones who are affected by HIV and AIDS. I believe that's very detrimental to their loved ones, and I would love to be there to help. Thirdly, I would also like to learn the structures of the organizations and how specific needs are being provided overseas. And yes, I wish the best for you picking in the best people in the candidate. And thank you for this opportunity. And I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks.